True organic gardening will indeed allow you to go green within your own yard and home. However, if you really want to go green, you will need to plant your garden using organic hydroponics instead of outside dirt and soil. This article will help you to understand what hydroponics is and what it can do for you. A very basic definition of hydroponics plant growth is where the roots of the plant are actually planted in an organic nutritional liquid solution in place of dirt. Therefore, before you make the decision as to which plants you want to plant this way, it is best to make sure they will flourish in this type of environment. The fact is, none of us want to eat anything that has been doused by a pot full of toxic chemicals. Study after study has proven that these man-made fertilizers, pesticides and other chemicals can increase the chances of damage to your health and the health of your children, with constant exposure over a lifetime. Organic hydroponics planting will decrease the exposure to these dangerous chemicals for you and your family. As you will be doing this type of organic gardening indoors, you will quickly discover it has its benefit. These benefits mean that the acid rain will not have access to your plants and dumping the air pollution into their root system. Furthermore, without contact with your yard's soils, which has accumulated toxins over the years, your plants, especially the veggies, will improve in taste and size. The great thing about using this method for growing your veggies and other plants inside is that you have complete control of what the plant is fed with. In other words, you will be the one selecting the organic pesticides and nutrient mixtures put on your plants. Each type of plant, tree, veggie, bush or even flowers will have its own particular needs for flourishing. You will have to do proper research to make sure you don't overburden your plants with the wrong nutrients and organic pesticides. There is a secret side benefit to practicing organic gardening inside, as the added color the plants will add to the room. And here is one more secret side benefit: the plants will also reduce the carbon dioxide gases from the room. Consequently, you and your family will breathe cleaner air in a room full of beautiful green and multi-colored blooms. Although hydroponics gardening and organic gardening is a bit more work, the end results will be more than worth the trouble. When you practice this type of gardening, you will in fact go green the right way.